crafts that are so fun to make. Since the holiday season is upon us, I don't want you to miss out on any of these fun and festive creations, perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer to your home. Before we get started, did you know you can get freebies every single week from my VIP group? Join for free at designsweetcourses.com/free. So are you ready for the 8 Christmas crafts you don't want to miss? These can be cut out on your Silhouette or Cricut machine for some seriously fun additions to your holiday decor. First up is my Christmas village tutorial. This charming village is made using cardstock and your Silhouette machine to cut out each building, perfect for decorating mantles or tabletops. The village includes a gingerbread house, elf house, Christmas store, clock tower, train, cottage, chapel, skating rink, and animals, all ready to light up with tea lights. It's a beautiful way to bring the nostalgic Christmas feeling into your decor. Files are available in my Silhouette shop or Etsy shop. Next, let's get creative with this feathered Christmas tree tutorial. Made entirely with paper, cut out on your Silhouette or Cricut machine, this project is easy to customize with different textures and colors to match your holiday decor. The tree adds such a unique, soft look to your Christmas decor. You can grab these files in my Silhouette shop or Etsy shop. For a real showstopper, check out my big Christmas house tutorial. This large, stunning piece is ideal for a centerpiece or mantle display. With your Silhouette machine and some sturdy cardstock, you can create an incredible piece of Christmas decor that will stand out during the holidays. This can be cut out on the Pro or Cameo. Files available in my Silhouette shop or Etsy shop. The 6x9 25 Days of Christmas album. Memory keeping during the holidays is a must, and my 6x9 25 Days of Christmas album tutorial is the perfect project to capture each day's special moments. Using your Silhouette machine, we'll create custom pages and embellishments to fill the album with festive memories. Files are in my Silhouette shop and Etsy shop. If you love gingerbread houses, this tutorial is for you. My ultimate paper gingerbread house is crafted using cardstock and cut on your die cutting machine, making it durable and reusable for years to come. Add your personal touches to create a festive masterpiece for your holiday home. Get this file exclusively at karinagardner.com. For a quick and elegant DIY project, check out my Swirly Snowy Ornament tutorial. This project uses your Silhouette machine to cut delicate swirling snowflakes that create a beautiful ornament. You can customize it with glitter, vinyl, or faux snow for the perfect frosty look. Available in my Silhouette shop or Etsy shop. Make the holiday countdown extra special with my Christmas Advent Calendar house. These adorable houses come with 25 doors symbolizing the 25 days until Christmas. It's a fun project to make with your Silhouette or Cricut machine, and the final product is a fun holiday decor piece. Grab the files in my Silhouette shop or Etsy shop. Last but not least, we're creating the 12 Days of Christmas ornaments. These ornaments bring the classic carol to life with each day represented by beautiful custom design. Use your Silhouette machine to make them in cardstock, vinyl, or even wood. They make perfect gifts or look great on your tree. Files available in my Silhouette shop or Etsy shop. And those are just a few of the many festive projects you can make this holiday season. As a reminder, if you're looking for freebies or any other kind of fun gifts that we do, you can go to designsweetcourses.com/free to get lots of free goodies from me. Be sure to check out the full videos and grab the files to start crafting. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafty inspiration. Happy holidays, and see you next time.